What can I do today to keep drama away? Not tomorrow, not next time, but today, in this moment where peace is possible, if I choose it. Drama is loud. It seduces me into battles that aren't mine, but peace is patient. It waits for me to remember I don't have to engage. Marcus Aurelius said, "You always own the option of having no opinion." It's one of the quietest freedoms I forget I have. So today, I practice restraint, I practice release, not out of weakness, but because I've finally learned, not every flame needs my oxygen. Sometimes silence is the highest ground, not avoidance, but wisdom. I'm not here to win arguments, I'm here to win my peace. So I write it down, not just to remember, but to retrain, because peace is not passive, it's practiced. Every time I react, I hand my peace to someone else. Drama can't enter where ego isn't fed, peace isn't found, it's defended. What if today I protect my energy the way I protect my phone battery? Not every comment deserves an answer. If it costs me peace, it's too expensive. Growth isn't dramatic, it's silent, gentle, and real. So I let go of what's not mine, not because I'm indifferent, but because I've chosen where my energy belongs. Today, I don't take the bait. I don't need to be right, I need to be rooted. Drama doesn't win unless I play, so I choose stillness. I choose the high road even if no one else takes it. If this gave you the pause you needed, subscribe, not for content, but for calm. For reminders that your power is in your pause. Comment below, what will you do today to protect your peace? Let the world spin. You don't have to spin with it. You don't have to be everywhere, respond to everything, or carry what was never yours to hold. Today, keep drama away by staying home, inside yourself. Start your day with a moment of stillness. Morning meditation sets the tone for a peaceful day. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let go of yesterday's worries. Focus on the present moment and embrace the calm within. Throughout the day, take moments to practice mindful breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple practice can help you stay grounded and centered, no matter what challenges arise. Cultivate gratitude by taking a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Write down 3 things that bring you joy or peace. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Consider a digital detox to reduce stress and drama. Set boundaries for screen time, especially on social media. Disconnect to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Notice how your mind feels clearer and your heart lighter. Spend time in nature to rejuvenate your spirit. A walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply sitting by a lake can bring immense peace. Nature has a way of reminding us of the beauty and simplicity of life. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional release. Write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Let the words flow without judgment. This practice can help you process emotions and gain clarity. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite of your meal. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas. Eat slowly and with intention. This not only enhances your dining experience but also promotes better digestion and overall well-being. End your day with an evening reflection. Take a few minutes to review your day. What went well? What could have been better? Acknowledge your efforts and set intentions for tomorrow. This practice helps you wind down and prepare for a restful night. Be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion by speaking to yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and have off days. Treat yourself with love and patience. Let go of the need for perfection. Embrace your imperfections and see them as part of your unique journey. Striving for perfection can lead to unnecessary stress and drama. Instead, focus on progress and growth. Perform acts of kindness, both big and small. Helping others not only brings joy to them but also to you. It creates a ripple effect of positivity and peace. Remember, kindness is a powerful antidote to drama. Practice mindful listening in your conversations. Give your full attention to the speaker without interrupting or planning your response. This fosters deeper connections and reduces misunderstandings and conflicts. By being present and truly hearing others, you create a space of mutual respect and understanding. Remember, listening is an act of love and a step towards a more peaceful and connected world. Set healthy boundaries to protect your peace. Learn to say no without guilt. Prioritize your well-being and make time for activities that nourish your soul. Boundaries are essential for maintaining balance and harmony in your life. Embrace solitude as a time for self-discovery and rejuvenation. Spend time alone to reflect, meditate, or engage in activities you love. Solitude can be a powerful source of inner peace and creativity. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Repeat phrases like, "I am calm," "I am at peace," and "I am in control of my emotions." These simple yet powerful words can rewire your mind for positivity and resilience. By affirming your strengths and focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you create a mental environment that fosters growth and inner peace. Remember, the words you choose to speak to yourself shape your reality. Make them count. Engage in mindful movement practices like yoga, tai chi, or gentle stretching. These activities will health but also promote mental clarity and emotional balance. Move with intention and awareness. Express yourself creatively through art, music, writing, or any other form of creativity. Creative expression allows you to release emotions and connect with your inner self. It's a wonderful way to find peace and joy. Whether it's painting a canvas, strumming a guitar, or writing poetry, creativity can be a powerful tool for mindfulness. It helps you to stay present, to explore your emotions, and to discover new perspectives. So, take a moment today to let your creativity flow and watch as it brings a sense of calm and fulfillment into your life. In our modern world, technology is a constant presence, but how often do we pause to consider its impact on our mood and energy? Mindful use of technology means being aware of how it affects us. Take regular breaks from screens, allowing yourself to engage in activities that don't involve technology. Read a book, take a walk, or simply sit in silence. Balance is key to maintaining peace in a digital world. By integrating mindful practices into our daily routine, we can find harmony amidst the digital noise. Cultivate mindful relationships by being present and attentive with your loved ones. Practice empathy, active listening, and open communication. Healthy relationships are a cornerstone of a peaceful life. When we take the time to truly connect with those we care about, we create a foundation of understanding and trust. This not only strengthens our bonds but also enriches our own sense of peace and well-being. Remember, the quality of our relationships significantly impacts our overall happiness. Be present, be kind, and nurture your connections with mindfulness. Approach your work with mindfulness by focusing on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking and take regular breaks to recharge. Mindful work enhances productivity and reduces stress. When we give our full attention to each task, we not only perform better, but also find greater satisfaction in our work. Remember, quality over quantity leads to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Embrace mindful work habits and experience the positive transformation in both your professional and personal life. Prioritize rest and relaxation as essential components of a peaceful life. Create a bedtime routine that promotes restful sleep. Listen to your body's needs and give yourself permission to rest without guilt. Travel mindfully by being present and fully experiencing your surroundings. Whether it's a short trip or a long journey, immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and sensations. Mindful travel enriches your experiences and brings peace. Be mindful of what you consume, not just in terms of food but also media and information. Choose content that uplifts and inspires you. Limit exposure to negative news and social media drama. By curating what you allow into your mind, you create a more positive and peaceful inner world. Practice self-care by engaging in activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. This could be a warm bath, reading a book, or spending time in nature. Self-care is essential for maintaining inner peace. End your day with a gratitude practice. Reflect on the positive moments and experiences of the day. Write them down in a gratitude journal. This practice shifts your focus to the good in your life and promotes a peaceful mindset. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on finding inner peace.